I have come across a very funny video recently, and I've decided that it's time to tell you about one Russian holiday. In this video, an American actress commented on the behavior of two young guys who were kind of celebrating one of the Russian traditional holidays.
In the morning, they made crepes, and so we had crepes. I was like, this is a lovely holiday. And then Yura, who plays Igor in the film, was like, okay, now we have to go to the woods and build a man from scratch so we can light him on fire.
Let's watch this, and then I want everybody to decide if this looks like a real holiday or one that was just made up on the fly.
Well, first of all, this is a real holiday. It's not made up, it's real, it's quite traditional in Russia. Я готовлю блины для своей семьи на Масленицу. For example, a couple of days ago, I made crepes myself for my family, and I enjoy doing that. I don't do it just on the holiday Масленица, I do it now and then through the year. Do you have any unusual holidays in your country? Make sure to tell me about those. Довольно популярной традицией на Масленицу является сжигание чучела. Another popular tradition on Масленица is to burn a scarecrow. It's usually wearing clothes. Масленица symbolizes the end of winter and the beginning of spring, like the new beginning when nature is waking up from its sleep. And the scarecrow, which is burnt, symbolizes the winter, that we say goodbye to winter and welcome spring. In addition, it is the symbol of all the things we would like to leave in the past, get rid of, not to take them into our future. It's quite meaningful. Масленица празднуется в последнюю неделю перед Великим постом. Масленица is celebrated during the last week before Lent. And the last Sunday before Lent is the biggest celebration. So Масленица lasts for a week, and usually every day there's a tradition that different parts of the family should cook crepes or блины. For example, mother-in-law or some other relatives. I don't remember exactly, but I remember that there is such a tradition, even though it's not that strictly followed nowadays, of course. Масленица– это очень веселый праздник, особенно для детей. Они получают огромное удовольствие, участвуя в разных спортивных состязаниях, например, перетягивании каната, катаясь на санках, сжигая чучело и кушая блины. Масленица is a fun holiday, especially for children. They really enjoy themselves playing, taking part in different sport competitions like tug of war, riding in a sleigh, burning the scarecrow. By the way, I have a recipe for Russian blины on this channel. If you are interested, go check it out. Okay, now you know just a little bit more about Russian traditions. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to let me know, like it, write your comments, write about unusual holidays you have in your countries. I'm sure there are some of those too.